Do you also want to speak fluently, but you always confuse and stuck in between like what word you should use? So don't worry, today we are going to learn how to amplify our vocabularies. So as we all know that vocabulary is the backbone of any language. The more vocabularies, words you have, the more confident and easily you can express your thoughts and ideas. So the first way to enhance your vocabulary is reading. The more you read, like books, newspaper, articles, definitely you come across with new words. Try to find out their meaning and how to use it. Then you can see more vocabularies you have. The next one is use those vocabularies while conversating with people, because accumulation and jotting down is not solution. You should use those vocabularies. Like the more you use, the more your mind, your subconscious mind would be familiar of those words. And unknowingly, when your mind find that this is the perfect situation of that word, so it will automatically come from your mouth. So use those words. The next one is we can learn vocabularies by watching videos, reels, and whenever you are watching, just try to find out with the help of Chat GPT and Google with example. And don't go for bookish vocabulary. Try to connect those vocabulary in your life. Like you can use those words with the help of example in real life. The more example you will make, the more comfortable you are with this vocabulary. The last one is it's my own way to learn any vocabulary, because as a human we always found shortcut. So if you are finding any short like small vocabulary, so you can easily recall it and remember it. But what about big word? Because it's very tough, and if you recall that time, after some time you will forget. So it's my personal trick that what I do, I just break that word in two part and three part and try to make a small story and connect this word with that story so that I can recall easily. Like I'm giving you two three example. The word is hazardous. Hazardous, it's kind of difficult word. But when I break this word and make a story like हजार dust, means अगर हमें हजार नाग dust लेंगे, so what happened? It's very harmful. It's very dangerous. So hazardous means dangerous, harmful. So the next word is munificent. Munificent is quite difficult. So how we will recall it? We can divide in two part. Munificent. Muni means जो मुनि संत होते हैं, so वो कैसे होते हैं? They are generous, kind. So munificent means generous, kind. So with the help of small story we can learn. And the last one is, third one is cogent. Cogent, like it seems like agent. Isn't what they do? They try to convince her to buy something. They try to give logic answer like why we are buying this thing. So cogent means logical and convincing. So we can use this trick. With the help of these kind of tricks, we can learn vocabulary easily and quickly. And don't forget to recall those words and use those words while conversating, because it's important part. The more you speak, the more you use those words, the more familiar you are. So, and the last one is be consistent. You learn today with the help of trick and you know the meaning, but you are not using those words. So there is no use of this learning those words. So you should learn and use repeatedly, constantly, and you can see after some time it's a piece of cake for you. And last one is consistency. Consistency is the cornerstone of success, we know. So every time use those words, and what I learn make you learn, just focus on it.